Namaskaram. Welcome to episode number 9. We will continue to seek the blessings of Goddess Adi Parashakti by chanting Adi Shankaracharya's Saundarya Lahari. Today we will be presenting Shlokams number 17 and 18. Savitri-bhir-vacham Shashimani Shilabhangaruchibhihi Vashinyadhyabhestvam Sahajanani Sanchintayati yaha Sakarta kavyanam Bhavati mahatam Bhangiruchibhihi Vachobhihi Vagdevi Vadana Kamala Moda Madhuraihi Tanuchaya Bheste Tarunatarani Shri Saranibhihi Divam Sarvamurvim Arunimani Magnam Smaratiyaha Bhavantasya Trasya Dvanaharina Shalina Nayanaha Sahorvasyavasyaha Kati Katina Girvana Ganikaha